This is Chapter 3, Problem 22. Okay. All right, so the key to all the problems in Chapter 3 is calculating the issue size. So we're either issuing stocks or bonds, and then we will calculate the number of shares. You divide the total issue size by the number of shares or the value of a bond. So, or the face value of a bond, and that'll give you the number of bonds. Or if you divide by the share price, I give you a number of shares. So, and what we have to do is the underwriter gets paid on everything, everything on the total size of the issue. So we have to do the calculation a specific way, and I'll show you here in a second. So United Uninsured Underwriters, U-Cube, needs $192 million to stay in business. If new common stock is issued, you must pay its investment banker a fee equal to 8% of the total amount issued. The new issue will also require you three to pay $280,000 in fees to its lawyer. So we get 192 plus the 280. Printing costs, other associated costs with the issue. You three can issue stock at $25 a share. How many shares of common stock must U-Cubed issue so that it has 192 million after flotation costs are paid? And then we'll show the total amount of flotation costs when we're done. But so first thing, issue size. So we got the 192 million. Plus the 280,000, and in order to charge the 8% on all of that, we need to divide by 1 minus 0.08, the underwriter's fee. So we'll have 0.92. So in other words, 192 million plus 280,000 is 92% of the issue size. So when we do that, we'll gross it up. So and do that and get 209 million. Make sure you use your parentheses. This is probably easier in Excel. You'd just use parentheses and equals 192,000 plus 280,000 divided by 1 minus 0.08 in parentheses should give you 209 million. So number of shares. So the 209 million divided by the $25 a share per share. That's 8,360,000 shares. And then your flotation costs, I'll abbreviate FC. So that's the 209, 209, not 290. Minus the 192 million, because the 280 is also issuance or flotation costs. I call it issuance costs. The book uses both. So $17 million of flotation costs. And that's it. So if this was a bond and a bond was worth $1,000, we would divide the 209 million by 1,000. But the flotation cost would still be calculated exactly the same way.